Hi guys, today I want to share with you another dread tutorial, and today I want to show you how to do like really nice locks on dreadlocks. So all you have to do is wash your hair so it's like still a little moist, not too wet but not dry, and then you just braid it into like a regular braid with 3 strings. Is that how you say it? Well, with 3 dreadlocks, you take 3 dreadlocks and then you braid them so they look like this. I already started, and yeah, I'm gonna continue braiding the other ones and then you'll see how it looks like in the end. Stay tuned. So I turned all of my dreadlocks into little braids now. As you can see, it looks like really cool with the different colors as well. There's like some that are shorter than other ones, like in this case. And I just let them hanging. I left the hair tie on the top, and I don't really care if there's 2 straight ones. So all the rest is gonna be curly. Then I had 5 leftovers at the end, so I took 2 strings 2 times and then 1 string and then braided them, and it still works out. It just looks a little bit different, but it works. And it's probably not gonna be as curly as the other ones, but it's still gonna look awesome. And I'm really excited to show you guys. Usually I leave the braids in for like 1 to 2 days because I just really like this look, and then also it's like a little, like a change in style, you know, just like something different, and that's cool. So yeah, I leave those in like 1 or 2 days. Then usually it gets like too yeah, then I usually have to take it out. Damn, I've dry skin. Yeah. So then I usually take the hair ties out because it gets too tight on my skin, on my scalp. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Sometimes I also sit under my hood dryer if I want it to dry really fast, because otherwise, yeah, it does take some time until they're really fully dried. They need to be fully dried in order to stay locked, like locks. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, so stay tuned.